Best juicers. Are you looking for the best juicers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best juicers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NutriBullet Juicer Pro. NutriBullet Juicer Pro Centrifugal Juicer Machine for Fruit, Vegetables, and Food Prep, 27 ounces / 1.5 liters, 1000 watts, silver, NBJ 50200. Elevate your daily nutrition with the NutriBullet Juicer Pro Centrifugal Juicer, designed for fast, efficient, and flavorful juicing. Powered by a 1000-watt motor, this high-performance machine extracts maximum juice from fruits and vegetables in seconds, helping you enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich drinks anytime. With 3 precision speed settings, you can easily customize juice extraction for soft fruits, leafy greens, or dense vegetables, ensuring the perfect blend every time. The wide feed chute reduces prep work by allowing whole fruits and larger pieces of produce to fit directly into the juicer, saving you valuable time. The NutriBullet Juicer Pro features a durable stainless steel sieve for smooth, pulp-free results and comes with 2 versatile juice pitchers, a 27-ounce container for quick single servings and a 1.5-liter pitcher for batch juicing and family use. Both are designed for easy pouring and storage, making fresh juice accessible at any moment. Crafted in a sleek silver finish with glass accents, this juicer is as stylish as it is functional. Cleanup is hassle-free thanks to dishwasher-safe, removable parts, while the included storage accessories and freezer trays let you keep juice fresh longer. Compact yet powerful, with dimensions of 12.13-inch dx 12.83 wx 17.4h, it fits neatly on your countertop without taking up excessive space. Whether you're starting a new wellness routine or upgrading your kitchen, the NutriBullet Juicer Pro delivers convenience, performance, and fresh flavor in every glass. Number 2. Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. Breville BJE 430 SL Juice Fountain Cold, 70 fluid ounces, silver. Discover the power of fresh, homemade juice with the Breville BJE 430 SL Juice Fountain Cold, designed to deliver professional quality results right in your kitchen. Equipped with cold spin technology, this juicer allows juice to flow through stainless steel cutting discs surrounded by an Italian-made mesh filter, ensuring minimal temperature increase and maximum nutrient retention. Perfect for busy lifestyles, this juicer features a 3-inch wide feed chute, allowing you to process whole fruits and vegetables with little to no prep work. From crisp apples to leafy greens, the Juice Fountain Cold handles it all with efficiency and ease. The powerful 850-watt motor offers 2 speed settings for soft fruits or denser produce, ensuring versatility and smooth results. The included 70 fluid ounces, 2L, juice jug with sealing lid makes it easy to juice in batches, store in the refrigerator, and enjoy fresh juice for up to 3 days. Designed with practicality in mind, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold features a sleek silver and glass finish that complements any modern kitchen. Its compact size, 7.99-inch dx 13.62 wx 16.65h, saves counter space while still delivering maximum performance. Cleanup is quick and simple thanks to removable, dishwasher-safe parts, including the jug, pulp container, and filter basket. Whether you're kickstarting a healthier lifestyle or looking for a reliable everyday juicer, the Breville BJE 430 SL provides the perfect balance of speed, convenience, and nutrient-rich results in every glass. Number 3. Hurom H400 Easy Clean. Hurom H400 Cold Press Juicer Machine, award-winning masticating slow juicer, easy to clean, strainer and hands-free with self-feeding, wide mouth hopper, easy assembly, matte black. Experience juicing redefined with the Hurom H400 Cold Press Juicer, an award-winning slow juicer engineered for convenience, performance, and superior taste. Unlike traditional juicers, the H400 uses advanced masticating technology to extract juice at low speeds, preserving essential nutrients, natural flavor, and vibrant color in every glass. The innovative self-feeding hopper and wide-mouth design let you add whole fruits and large vegetable chunks without tedious chopping. Simply load your ingredients and let the juicer do the work, hands-free. Its powerful yet quiet motor ensures smooth, efficient juicing without disturbing your kitchen environment. Designed for everyday use, the H400 features a strainer-free system that makes assembly and cleaning effortless. With fewer parts to manage and BPA-free materials, it's safe, user-friendly, and hygienic. Sleek and modern, the matte black finish complements any kitchen decor while its slim dimensions, 10.3-inch DX 6.6 WX 18.5H, save precious counter space. Built with durability in mind, the H400 offers long-lasting performance for both beginners and juicing enthusiasts. Whether you're preparing refreshing fruit blends, nutrient-rich green juices, or experimenting with creative recipes, the Hurom H400 delivers consistently smooth results. Its thoughtful design ensures less waste, more juice, and maximum convenience. Upgrade your wellness routine with the Hurom H400 Cold Press Juicer, a premium blend of style, power, and innovation for a healthier lifestyle. Number 4. Hurom H320 Cold Press Juicer Machine. Hurom H320 Cold Press Juicer Machine, easy to clean masticating slow juicer, coarse strainers, self-feeding, hands-free, family size, quiet motor, easy assembly, white. Bring healthy living into your kitchen with the Hurom H320 Cold Press Juicer, a premium slow juicer designed for families who want convenience, power, and nutrition in every glass. With its masticating technology, the H320 extracts juice slowly and gently, preserving vitamins, minerals, and enzymes for the freshest, most nutrient-rich results. Featuring an innovative self-feeding hopper, this juicer allows you to load whole fruits and vegetables with minimal prep work. The hands-free design saves time while the family-sized capacity makes it ideal for daily wellness routines or preparing juice in batches. Equipped with coarse strainers, the H320 provides customizable pulp control, letting you choose between silky smooth juices or fiber-rich blends. The quiet yet powerful motor ensures efficient performance without disrupting your home, while the easy-to-assemble parts and BPA-free design make cleaning fast and hassle-free. With its sleek painted finish and white and compact size, 8-inch DX 8WX16H, the H320 looks elegant on any countertop while saving space. Built with Hurom's signature durability and attention to detail, this juicer is designed to last for years of reliable use. Whether you're making refreshing citrus blends, leafy green juices, or experimenting with creative fruit and vegetable combinations, the Hurom H320 delivers consistent flavor, texture, and quality. Upgrade your lifestyle with the Hurom H320 Cold Press Juicer, a hands-free, family-sized juicing solution that blends innovation, ease, and wellness in every sip. Number 5. Omega VSJ 843QS. Omega Cold Press Juicer Time Savings Series Slow Masticating for Batch Juicing Vegetable and Fruit Juice Extractor with Extra Large Hopper for less prep, 150 watts, black. Discover the perfect balance of convenience and nutrition with the Omega Cold Press Juicer Time Saving Series, designed to make juicing easier, faster, and healthier. Using advanced slow masticating technology, this juicer extracts juice at low speeds, minimizing heat and oxidation to preserve vitamins, enzymes, and natural flavors for longer-lasting freshness. Equipped with an extra-large hopper, the Omega Time Savings Series allows you to load larger quantities of fruits and vegetables at once, reducing prep time and making it ideal for batch juicing. Simply add your produce, sit back, and let the machine handle the process, perfect for busy mornings or family juice prep. The 150-watt quiet motor ensures powerful, efficient performance without disturbing your household, while the carefully engineered design maximizes juice yield with minimal waste. Its compact size, 8.58-inch DX 9.09 WX 18.15H, makes it easy to store on countertops without sacrificing performance. Crafted with durable, BPA-free plastic finish and sleek black, this juicer is lightweight, stylish, and designed for everyday use. Cleanup is simple with removable parts that are easy to rinse and reassemble, allowing you to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your fresh, homemade juice. Whether you're creating nutrient-rich green juices, refreshing citrus blends, or energizing fruit combinations, the Omega Cold Press Juicer Time Savings Series delivers premium quality and convenience in every glass, making it the ultimate addition to your healthy lifestyle.